Imagine opening a 200-page PDF and having it explained to you in seconds. No scrolling, no confusion, no wasting hours. Sounds impossible? Well, not anymore. AI can now read and summarize entire documents faster than any human ever could. Meet the new generation of AI PDF readers, tools that instantly break down reports, eBooks, research papers, or manuals into simple summaries you can actually understand. They don't just read, they explain, highlight key insights, and even answer your questions about the text. One of the most popular tools is ChatGPT with PDF plugins or third-party services like ChatDOC, PDF.ai, and Humata.ai. Just upload your file, and within seconds, the AI scans the text, analyzes context, and gives you clear answers. Need the main idea of a 100-page report? Done. Want to extract numbers, dates, or quotes? Easy. Stuck with academic jargon? The AI translates it into plain English instantly. And the best part? These AIs learn from your questions. The more you ask, the more accurate and relevant their answers become, like having your own personal research assistant. Students use them to summarize study materials. Researchers use them to digest scientific papers. And professionals use them to speed up reports, contracts, and training documents. Instead of reading hundreds of pages, you can now understand complex content in minutes, saving you time, energy, and headaches. So, the next time you're drowning in PDFs, don't panic. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Try tools like ChatDOC, Humata.ai, or PDF.ai, and experience how effortless reading can be in the AI era. Because sometimes, the smartest thing you can do is let the machine read for you. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.